Bayabuza abantu kuba comment section bathi kwiqiniso yini kuthiwa abantu baseMalawi bathanda ukudla ufishi lomncane? Yes, it's a truth. Yazi ngobani? Ufishi la eMalawi, let's say like ufishi is curry is affordable curry. Ufishi curry we affordable lana. Ngoba omunye curry like let's say red meat nomunye curry uyabiza la ngeke ukwazi ukuafforda cause lana eMalawi it happens including my family to stay more than a week without touching a money in more than 5,000 or 10,000 kwacha lo 10,000 let's say like curry ubovu la inyama ebovu la inyama enkomo i-kg yala ekhaya ikilo yala ekhaya la i-kg yala eMalawi ufuna ukuthenga inyama per kg is 10,000. So sometimes it happens to stay more than a week, even a month without touching that money at 10,000. So we can't buy that curry because it's so expensive. Yabo ingakho siyathanda ukudla ufishi sidlela umfino akuyona into sifihla lento lezo zinto zenzeka. You can stay more than a month without touching a 10,000 Malawian kwacha. A 10,000 demand that you can only afford to buy a 1 kg of red meat. It happens. That's why we like to eat fish and spinach and something cabbage yabo cause izona izinto sizafoda cause la eMalawi abantu baningi abasebenzi yabo the most of people they're not working. Siphilela ukulima njengoba nibona la khona ummbila bayalima abantu and sitshala umfino lapho umfino uzoba right wona siwudlawo and lana umuntu uyahlala engasebenzi udependela kuma hustlers yabo a piece of job mhlambe khona umuntu othi ozongilimela lana khona uzothola imali ethile. So we can't afford to buy an expensive relish. Ngeke size sikwazi ukuthenga ukhari ubizayo ngoba asu-afford cause abantu abasebenzi kuzokwenzeka ikhaya lonke mhlambe linabantu more than 10 wonke lawa abantu abasebenze mhlambe abanye abantu baba right ibona labanabantu lapho mhlambe banabantu lapho mhlambe obhuti babo basebenza ngalapha eSouth Africa bazokwazi ukubathumela imali before kuphele iviki or inyanga kuze bazokwazi ukuthenga inyama. Kodwa komuntu uhlala la ukuthi wonke umuntu uhlala la ubhuti wakho uhlala lana usibanibani uhlala nonke ni la eMalawi kungenzeka khona lawa amafamily kuphela ngisho izinyanga bangayithinte imali injengo 10,000. 10,000 imali incane leyo la imali ingakwazi uku-afforda ukuthenga ilokhu njani i-1 kg of meat. So lana ngeke ukwazi wena ukungena esitolo uyothenga ilokhu njani lokhu njana uyothenga i-chicken le i-chicken sisuke si-right sesitolo ngeke ukwazi ukuyithenga leyo chicken. Lana izinto ziyabiza ngeke ukwazi ukuyi-afforda leyo nto ingakho abantu baningi siphilela ukudla ufish nomfino cause ufish is something cheaper than the other things cause ufish la ungakhona ukuthola ufish uyi-1,000. So i-1,000 imali yokuthi mhlambe maniphandanisile ngalelo langa ungawudla ungayithola leyo mali bese uyothenga ufish nakhona lo fish wakho ngeke ukwazi ukuba nemali etomatisi. Lezo zinto ngitshela zona zenzeka and it's a truth and we can't lie about that. It's a truth about that. Lana kungenzeka umuntu uthole 1,000 uthenga ufish ufry nje ufry unganalutho noma upheke ubilise ngamazi bese upheka ipapa lakho udle nopapa noma udle nopapa ipapa lakho la ungakhoni kuyithola imali uzokwazi ukuthenga ngayo utomatisi namafutha ukuthi ufry. And amafutha alana sinawo amafutha lawa agaliwe yabo la mafutha lawa agaliwe sikala amafutha amancane mhlambe sokala sithi 500 ngapha 300 ngapha kuyimali incane le yala eMalawi. And that's the other answer ingakho sithanda ukudla ufish ngoba uwona ufish u-affordable yabo uwona ukhari affordable la ngeke sikwazi ukuthenga ezinye izinto ziyabiza. Like I say, there's other family they can stay more than a month without touching a money so that can afford to buy that meat. Siyabonga. Hayi sanibona madoda, ningazomemeza madoda. Khona umuntu kade engithuka kuma comment section uthi wenzela lokho indaba utshela abantu ukuthi siphila kanjani la eMalawi, izinto ezinjani, imali yakhona enjani. Bafethu akuyona imfihlo leyo, akuyona into othi singayifihla lento, vele lento zenzekala lezo zinto. Izinto bazibheda ziyabheda madoda, izinto bazibheda ziyabheda. For example yabo bafethu, nayabo le mali ilizwe linjani lelo, nayabo le mali le, hey utshela mali le madoda, mali le yabo le mali u5000 uhlangene, u5000 uhlangene yabo mazuthuka nje su10000 amaphepha awu2 sengiphethe u10000 uhlangene madoda. Ilizwe linjani lelo lino o10000 u5000 uhlangene madoda. Yabo lo 5000 mangabe uthi lo u5000 nginawo lapho eSouth Africa, mangushinja lapho eSouth Africa 5000 uze la sengine million. Hayi madoda, hayi hey baphila kanzima abanye abantu kulamanye amazwe. Hayi ngeke madoda, u5000 walapho eSouth Africa lana imillion lelo imillion. Mangino 10000 lapho eSouth Africa lana suthi ke sengino 2 million. Kodwa lo 2 million lona umsebenzi wakhona uzofana nomsebenzi usebenza 10000. Ngeke ngisho ngikwazi ukwakha umuzi ngo2 million lona. Ngeke ngizongikwazi ukuthenga ama blocks, for example usimente. Yazi isaka lesement la emakhaya la eMalawi, isaka lesement lu 45000. Kodwa lapho eSouth Africa lu 100 rand. Abu ngibe ngiphethe amaphepha, ngiphatha amaphepha mina ama 500 rand noma ama 500 noma ama 1000 noma ama 2000, ngize ngiphatha u45000 yothenga isaka elilodwa lika cement. Ayingeke madoda, hayi kuyabheda la, angifuni ukufihla lo, kuyabheda vele la, kuyabheda izinto bazibheda ziyabheda. Noma singayifihla leyo nto ngeke ngizomuntu azangithengele ilokho njani usweet ukuthi wena ufihla izinto zizalapho ngoba ziyabheda. Kuyabheda bafethu, kuyabheda. Ya sanibona madoda, sengisefuleni manje madoda, sengiyawasha ngisemfuleni niyabo, ngisemfuleni ngiyawasha ngoba la emakhaya ayikho ilokho njana, awekho amanzi asempompini. Uzowakha amanzi asempompini bese ngiwashe, ayikho leyo nto la siwasha emfuleni. Ningoba ningibona nje madoda semfuleni, istress anginaso. Ngisho akho umuntu uzongimisa emgaqweni uthi wezwa passport, ID yakho ithini, unawo amaphepha okuhlala lana, akekho la. Siwasha free la, ngise free manje semfuleni manje, sengiyawasha ngenza noma yini ngiyithandayo yala emfuleni. Ngenza ngingasabi futhi kuzoqhamuka amaphala kuleli side. Awekho amaphala la. Siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nangibhudo seMalawi has telling people about my living conditions alapha eMalawi ukuthi kuliqiniso yini ukuthi abantu baseMalawi bathanda ukudla fish, because people are always saying that. Uyasho ukuthi yebo kuliqiniso vele bona bayidla kakhulu ifish because ngiyo inyama ele affordable labakhona ukuyithenga. Letinye inyama yasho nje ukuthi iyadura, sukhombisile nokuthi bawashaphi. Most people are so interested shem ku content yalo bhuti lapha etingudleni tokuxhumana, basho ukuthi like he must upload more videos because they are learning. Ke sana some commenting ukuthi hayibo ubuya la South Africa, but some saying ukuthi hayibo noma kunzima kangakanani o ungalingi udela South Africa, we are already overcrowded. But nevertheless i-content yalo bhuti lapha ku-TikTok shem, it's so interesting. Balabaningi futhi bayithanda ngendlela lesimanga. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.